The F-15EX, the Eagle II, is a next-generation fighter aircraft being developed by Boeing for the U.S. Air Force, USAF. It is the latest iteration of the F-15 Eagle mission design series and an upgraded version of the F-15 fourth-generation fighter jet. The new fighter is the most advanced variant of the multi-role, all-weather, and day and night versions of the F-15 aircraft family, featuring affordability, speed, range, heavy weapon payload capacity, digital backbone, and open architecture. The F-15EX will provide the capability to carry a large number of missiles in support of the F-35 aircraft and provide firepower to destroy threats detected by the F-35 during combat operations. The USAF intends to acquire 144 F-15EX from Boeing. The 142nd wing at Portland will become the first operational unit to fly the aircraft, while the 173rd Fighter Wing is expected to serve as the F-15EX formal training unit in 2024. F-15EX development and delivery details. The process for acquiring the F-15EX aircraft began in February 2019. The F-15EX program was approved under the National Defense Authorization Act for the 2020 fiscal year, which was signed in December 2019. The program of record includes the purchase of 8 F-15EX aircraft in the first lot, with plans to purchase at least 144 units to replace the Oregon Air National Guard's aging F-15C divided by D fleet and refresh the existing F-15 fleet in the future. Boeing secured a $1.2 billion contract to produce the first batch of 8 F-15EX advanced fighter aircraft in July 2020. The company is responsible to provide design, development, integration, manufacturing, testing, verification, certification, delivery, sustainment, and modification services for the aircraft. The aircraft is being manufactured at the Boeing F-15 production facility in St. Louis, Missouri, U.S. The first F-110 GE-129 engine for the aircraft was delivered to the USAF in September 2020. The maiden flight of the fighter jet was performed in February 2021, while the USAF officially accepted the first F-15EX, the Eagle II, from Boeing in March 2021. The aircraft left Boeing's facility in St. Louis and arrived at the Eglin Air Force Base, AFB, in Florida to undergo combined developmental and operational tests. The integrated testing will focus on meeting the test objectives and identifying any system issues for rectification prior to the production ramp-up and delivery. Boeing received a license from the U.S. government to provide F-15EX aircraft to the Indian Air Force, IAF, in January 2021. The USAF issued a request for proposals for the procurement of up to 461 engines and related components covering lots 2 to 9 for the F-15EX in February 2021. The U.S. State Department approved a $13.9 billion deal to sell 36 F-15EX to Indonesia in February 2022. The aircraft underwent acoustic testing in November 2022. The tests included ground testing at idle conditions, with the engines running and during the flight. The data from the tests will be used to update noise level predictions and models in areas where the aircraft will be stationed and operated. In January 2023, 2 F-15EX demonstrated an expanded missile carriage capacity of 12 air-to-air missiles compared to the 8 air-to-air missiles capacity of the F-15 aircraft. The two aircraft successfully launched missiles from missile stations named Station 1 and Station 9 in a test conducted to validate whether the missiles can be launched safely from the stations. Design and features of the F-15EX Fighter Jet. The advanced two-seater fighter jet has a length of 19.45 m, a width of 13.05 m and a height of 5.64 m. It has an empty weight of 14,500 kilograms while the maximum takeoff weight of the aircraft is 37,000 kilograms. It can launch hypersonic weapons up to 22 feet long, providing an advantage in future near-peer conflicts. The aircraft can be operated by a single pilot and has an increased payload capacity. The jet is installed with new electronic warfare (EW) system, advanced cockpit systems, modern sensors and radars, and the latest mission systems and software capabilities. It features an open mission systems (OMS) architecture with advanced battle management systems (ABMS), allowing rapid integration of the latest aircraft technologies and retaining the relevance of the platform for many decades. The OMS will also provide the capability to operate independently when in isolation and reconnect to the global cloud network when conditions are feasible. The aircraft will be installed with fly-by-wire flight controls and the APG-82V-1 Active Electronically Scanned Array (ASA) radar, which will offer extended range and improved multi-target track and precision engagement capabilities. The radar will provide the ability to detect, identify, and track multiple air and surface targets at longer standoff ranges, supporting informed and faster decision-making during conflicts. Engine and performance of the F-15EX. The F-15EX fighter jet is powered by two F-110GE-129 engines, with each generating a thrust of 29,000 pounds. The aircraft can fly at a speed of Mach 2.5, which makes it the world's fastest fighter jet. It has a range of 1,200 nanometers, allowing it to strike deep targets. Contractors involved. GE Aviation received a Lot 1 contract from the Air Force Life Cycle Management Center, AFLCM, to develop 19 F-110GE-129 engines for the F-15EX aircraft in June 2020. The contract also includes the installation and supply of spare components and advanced engine monitoring system computers. Boeing selected Raytheon Intelligence Space (RIS) to supply the APG-82V-1 ASA radar for the F-15EX fighter aircraft in October 2020. RIS will provide 8 radar systems by 2022, under the contract.